Math Module 5, Assignment and Comparison Operators. Let's define an operator. An operator is a symbol, such as the minus sign, the plus sign, etc., that shows an operation. That is, you want to do something with the values. In this formula, 4 is our coefficient, x is the variable, the minus sign is the operator, 7 and 5 are the constraints. Let's define an operation. A mathematical process, the most common are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's review our basic math symbols. This is the equal sign. Its meaning is equality. This is a strictly inequality. Its meaning is greater than. This is the other strict inequality sign. Its meaning is less than. This is the times sign. Its meaning is multiplication. This is the division sign. Its meaning is division. This is the inequality sign. Its meaning is greater than or equal to. This is the other inequality sign. Its meaning is less than or equal to. This is the plus sign. Its meaning is addition. This is the minus sign. Its meaning is subtraction. This is the plus or minus sign. It is both plus and minus in operations. This is the minus and plus sign. It also is both plus and minus in operations.